Hi guys, today I'd like to share my review of Fort Stockton RV Park in Fort Stockton, Texas. I have to be honest with you. Fort Stockton is a small historical town that historically I just didn't find that interesting. But it is a cute little town, and I did find it interesting that the Gray Mule Saloon is actually a wine tasting room. That's an interesting twist. And I'm all about these giant roadrunners, and giant roadrunners seem to be a thing in this area. They're even celebrated at the Campground's Cafe. Now, the proper name for this bird is the Greater Roadrunner, and they are the fastest running bird that can also fly. They can run 15 miles per hour and up to 26 miles per hour at a sprint. Now, I didn't get to see one of these birds on this trip, but I have seen them on a previous visit. Now, this little footbridge leads to a pretty unique tent camping area because it is pretty rare that you see tent sites with water and electric. Now, I was pretty surprised to learn this was once a KOA, which are generally family campgrounds with a lot of activity. These days, it's just a basic country campground, but you do have everything you need here. Not only do you have the restaurant, but the store has plenty of supplies. Now, I did have to do some leveling when I pulled in my site, but all the sites are pull through and it's easy access off of Interstate 10. Okay, so sometimes location is everything. This is conveniently located about halfway between El Paso and San Antonio, Texas. So it's a very good stopping point on I-10. Fort Stockton RV Park is a basic country campground, but when you have a store and a restaurant on site, sometimes that's all a weary traveler needs. Also, as of the time of this video, it's a Passport America park, so you get a 50% discount. So while I wouldn't consider Fort Stockton RV Park a destination, I would definitely stay here again for a 1 or 2 night stay. Folks, if this information has been helpful to you, do me a big favor. Give me a big thumbs up. That helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in Passport America, check out my description page. And if you'd like to go ahead and sign up, go ahead and click the link. That helps my channel as well. Okay, guys, that's all I got for now. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.